On special demand, I bring to you very simple and easy moves to finally get rid of your belly fat and your lower hanging belly fat, which often causes a problem. You might wonder if these easy simple exercises will reap you the same benefits which rigorous workouts in a gym will. Yes, of course it will. You are a beginner and you want to see fast results, then you have to get at it. And for that, you should be motivated, and for that, you should have easy exercises and not difficult exercises so that you can do it and you can see the results. You don't have to make any extra effort. All you need is a chair and that's it. And I'm sure many of you already have a sedentary lifestyle. Whether it's a chair, sofa, couch, or anything that you sit on the whole day, I don't care. Now, no more excuses. Now, finally, let's do it together to get rid of your belly fat and that lower hanging belly fat. And if you're still wondering if these exercises will be effective for you, then you must see my previous exercises too, and the proof lies in the pudding. Look at me. I, who was overweight once upon a time, have a perfect waistline now. I mean, you have to work at it, but what if I made the journey easier and simple for you? That's what I'm here for. And if you enjoy watching my videos, don't forget to hit the like button. Now let's begin with the super easy exercises. Now the next exercise. Now the next exercise. Now the next exercise. Don't use things unless they give you maximum benefit. So my benefit of this very chair is done. I'm going to do the next workout in the evening. And until then, I'm going to make sure to complete my daily steps of 10,000 target. And I will be eating balanced meals also, so I can see magnificent results in no time at all. If you wish to join my paid weight loss program, wherein an Ayurvedic doctor, health coach, a dietitian, all will come together to provide you that transformation which you are desperately looking for, then you can click on the link given below in the description and join my weight loss program. And I will also be part of your program and leave no stone unturned to give you the best results. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.